Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we're gonna do the entire syllabus most trickiest assignment. Okay, most trickiest assignment. That is to identify the broken plural. Okay, the broken plural. So I would recommend you to check the theory 2-3 times because this is something difficult to understand. Okay, I would say only thing that difficult to understand this entire syllabus. That is, if it is a broken plural, it is considered as a singular feminine. Okay, it is not considered as a plural. It is considered as singular, and also it is considered as a feminine. So that's the idea. So you need to understand now. Okay. So now we know there are 5 methods to find out what is singular and how to find out the plural. There are methods. So you go to the syllabus and look into again and again. If you forgot those, then come to do the assignment. Otherwise, you will not understand anything here. Okay. The first one, al mukadzibina. This is like muslimina. Okay. It's a plural. Okay. It's a plural. Muslimina is a plural. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, singular. Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, pair. Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. In a pattern is obviously a plural. Okay, simple. Number two, ayatun. Ayatun. Okay. Ayatun is ending like un sound. It is ending like un sound. So if something is ending like un and in, you need to check the meaning. If ending is un and in sound and meaning is plural, then it's a broken plural. Simple. Then you need to check it as a broken plural. If it is a broken plural, you need to check whether it has it's a human or non-human. If it is a non-human, simply it's a singular feminine. So non-human, it doesn't have brain, it cannot think. It's a non-human singular feminine. Okay. If it is human, we will see how we're going to treat when in an example. Okay. Next one. So it's a ayatun is a ending is un sound and the meaning is plural. So and it is non-human. It's a miraculous science. So it is singular feminine. Simple. Simple logic. Understand this. If ending with un and in sound and meaning is plural and it is non-human, then close your eyes and say it is singular feminine. Okay, it is a singular and it's a feminine. Okay. Al-jibala, the mountains, Okay, so see, it's ending in a sound. It is not that combo sound. It's not ani aini or una ina or atun atin. So it is not that ending in the combo. Remember, we studied in, I think, second lesson the un and in sound and the sound ending and combo ending. This is a sound ending. So if it's a sound ending, you check the meaning, and it is meaning is the mountain. Meaning is plural. That means this is a broken plural. If ending is a sound and meaning is plural, means it's a broken plural. That means you need, and if it is a non-human, the mountains are non-humans. Those are not humans. So you need to consider as a singular, and you need to consider as a feminine. Okay. The purpose is to understand plural and singular here, but remember, since it is a package, the non-human broken plural is a singular feminine is a package. We will go with the complete answer, that is singular, and it has to consider as a feminine grammatically. Basharun is a one person. Okay, so it's a singular, very easy. Wujuhun is a faces. Okay, wujuhun is a faces. See, it is ending in un sound, like Muslimun. But looking at Muslimun look like singular, right? Muslimun is a singular. Wujuhun looks like a singular, but check the meaning. It's a plural, faces. So it's a broken plural then. It looks like a singular ending, but it's a meaning plural means a broken plural. So wujuhun is what? Wujuhun is a singular. It has to consider singular, even though it's faces, because it's a non-human. Faces are non-human. Okay, so singular feminine. Yeah, face is in the part of a body, but it is not. Face is not thinking, right? So face is not a human, like something thinking. Something has a brain. So it's a broken plural. That means it's a singular feminine. Okay. Next one is al jahima. Al jahima is one hellfire, only one fire. So it's a singular. And next one is nisa. Okay, nisa women. Now this is a tricky one. This is nisa ending like a singular, but meaning is women. Okay, so women mean the plural. So how to treat this? This is a human broken plural. If you say women, it's a human. So it's a human broken plural. Human broken plural has two answers. One answer is, as we know, it has to consider singular feminine, and if you consider it as a plural, because the meaning is plural, right? It's a human, so you can consider as a plural. If it's a plural, you should consider what is the biological gender, that is feminine. So these are the two answers. You can consider as a singular feminine, and also you can consider as a plural feminine. Both answers are correct, because if it is a human broken plural, that has two answers. Okay, then remember that. Okay, next one. Al fili. Al fili, one elephant, so it's a singular. 8. 9 is al biharu. Al biharu ending like a sound, it's ending like a singular pattern, but the meaning is seas, multiple sea. So it's a plural, so it's a broken plural. Sea doesn't have a brain, it's not a human. So sea is a non-human broken plural, which has to be treated like singular feminine. Singular feminine. Okay. Number 10, al ardu, earth. Earth is one, so it's singular. And number 11, al mutanafisuna. Al mutanafisuna, it's like a muslimuna pattern. Mutanafisuna is like muslimuna, so it is definitely plural. Awmalun. Awmalun. Awmalun is looks like a singular pattern. Awmalun, like muslimun. Check the meaning, deeds. It's a meaning is plural, so it's a, and it doesn't have a brain, it's not human, deeds are not human, so it's a non-human broken plural, which is considered as singular feminine. Singular feminine. Okay, number 13, al kuburi. Al kuburi, it's ending like a muslimi. It's a singular, ending like a singular word. Check the meaning, the graves. The graves. So it's a grave is a non-human broken plural, so answer is singular feminine. Simply, if it is a non-human and broken plural, answer is singular feminine. Next one is al malaikatu. Okay, another tricky one, al malaikatu. So malaikatu ending like a singular pattern, like muslimatu is ending like a singular pattern, but the problem is the meaning is angels, not one angel. Malaikatu mean multiple angel, so it's angels, so meaning is plural, so it's a broken plural. But human or non-human, this is angels are not human, but we consider as a human broken plural because they can think. The angels can think, they are doing things, right, by thinking. So whoever can think, we consider as a human broken plural. Okay, even jinns are considered angel, jinns and humans are considered as a human broken plural. Keep that in mind. So for the easy recognition, we say human broken plural. We cannot say human, jinn, and angel broken plural. Okay, so we say a human broken plural, who can think, who has a brain. So angels are human broken plural. There is two answers. So one answer is singular feminine. They can be considered as singular feminines. And if you consider angels as a plural by meaning, then you need to consider as they are real biological gender, which is grammatically considered as a masculine. Okay, so if you consider as a plural, it is masculine. So angels is masculine or feminine is a different question. Here grammatically we consider as a masculine, grammatically. Okay, so grammatically masculine, so if you consider as a plural, it's a masculine. Okay, so the next one is number 15, al bayina tu. Al bayina tu, so ending like a singular. Check the meaning, clear proof, one proof. So it's ending like a singular, and it's only singular, meaning is singular, no issue, it's a singular. Ending like a singular, meaning is singular, no issue. The problem comes ending like a singular but meaning is plural, so this is one, so it's a singular. Okay, last one, rajulaini. Okay, rajulaini, it's two, it's two, so it's a pair, it's not a singular, it's not a plural, because Arabic has singular, plural, on top of that it has a pair, so this is actually pair, two. Okay, so that's the idea. So it's a very easy exercise. Now, I would not say easy, but you need to have a little bit brain juice. You have to use your brain a little bit to understand whether the thing has a brain or not, or is human or not. So that's but little tricky. Other than that, if you really practice this few times, it will become a piece of cakes. It will become very easy. Okay, so subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalina walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.